Hello, here to talk Rarjsm. These are two of the utmost used favourite colours of a jelly nude that I use for my press-ons. And one is milky rose, the other is milky pink. I solely use these. I use one or the other, or I layer them. And I was running low, so I went over to Rarjsm. I thought I'll get these, and I needed some neons. That's the milky rose. It's gorgeous, that one. So I thought I'd replace these, and I needed some neons. And then this happened. I feel ashamed. Well, no, I don't feel ashamed. Do I feel dirty? Do I regret it? No. So I got these. These are going to go into my little collection ready for Halloween. But I got these. They were reduced to £1, and I got them literally just to take me over to get the free delivery. So yeah, so they're really cute. You got your little cats, look, they look like they're peeping over things, and the moons, the lanterns. So I made up with those. But then also this. And 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I'm going to get them all out the boxes, and then we will have a look and swatch. Yay! Okay, right, the two that I've already got, obviously I've left those in the box. So they're the Rarjsm number 236 and 149, and that's those. Where's me? They're the ones that I've always used, and like I say, I use one or the other, or I layer them, and they just look just like someone's wearing acrylics when you've got these on. So there's those two. Each one obviously on the back of the box. This isn't PR, by the way, but I do have a code. I bought these with my own money, but I do have a 35% discount code if you're interested in using that. I will put that up on the screen. So you get all your usual. It's 60 seconds in a LED light. I think I got that in everyone does. Oh, 90 to 120 seconds. I do apologise. Yeah, so 90 to 120 seconds. That's in an LED lamp, UV lamp, 2 minutes. The collections, they come in like one of these, in these boxes. So you got your cautions, your directions, the ingredients. They are HEMA free, natural resin, safe for skin, non-toxic, low smell. I've used Rarjsm, especially with the nudes anyway, for donkeys, because I just love them. Right, okay, so I got, you've seen the nudes that I use, and then these were the neons. So these in these little sets are 7.5ml bottles, whereas these ones are 15ml. So these are what they class as the dark neons, because the others looked more like a jelly, and I've got Born Pretty neon jellies. So this one just says number 21, which is the yellow. Come on. So I'll do one coat with you. I'll swatch these on here, because obviously they've got the little swatches on the top. So, oh my goodness, that is bright. Yeah, so these have got a bit more of opacity to them. So the other ones would be a lot more jelly-like. That is a real highlighter yellow. And for one coat as well, I'm impressed with that. You can still see through it a little. But yeah, so there's yellow. And then number 144, which is going to be my favourite. The purple. Oh, look at you. Look at those two together. Purple and yellow. Yeah, so they are quite sheer, but they do have more opacity to them than obviously the jellies. 145, which is the, oh my goodness me, oh god, the orange, if we can get in it. Oh, wow. Oh, I love neons so much. Oh, I'm sure I've said on my channel before, when I was doing clients, neons were the most popular colours. Even Christmas nails, we were doing Christmas neon snowflakes and things. They're amazing, honestly. 23, it's the blue. Oh god. Well, the bottles are done up tight, that's for sure. Oh, that's a gorgeous blue, isn't it? Oh, I like. Number 19. Oh my days. Oh, that was hard work. No one will stop a girl getting in a gel polish though. Sorry about my washing machine going off in the background as well. The sun's out, so I'm trying to make the most of it before the rain comes. And I've got a stack of it. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh, this is a beautiful set. I'm gonna go, right, hang on. Put you on there. There we are. Obviously I don't have a nail room. I have a nail desk in a corner in my dining room, which is by my kitchen, so I do apologise. That is amazing. So there's one coat, and they are bloody bright, aren't they? I love them. So I'll stick them into cure. I'll give them a second coat off camera, and then we'll be back. Okay, we've had 2 coats now. Look at those. Look like Skittles. So that is the dark neon colours in the basic colour range, I think it is. I will put prices up. I've got far too excited and dug straight in, and I don't want to move my phone because I'll end up deleting, so no, I don't know, I'll do something. So there's them ones, and they're bloody beautiful, they are. Okay, then we've got these 2. This is another nude that I wanted to try. 131. This was just called Peach, if I'm right. Yes, and I like this one as well. Oh, that one's got a bit of green on, don't want to go on there. This one's not necessarily a jelly. Oh, sorry about Mabel. She's having a strop. It's not necessarily a jelly, that one. But it's a gorgeous nude nonetheless. That is for sure. Then there is this one, number 683. These ones are both 15mm. And this is dark purple to red, holographic chameleon. So I was rather intrigued. Don't do the reveal. Ready? Oh, look at it. It's not a cat eye. It's just a very, very pretty gel polish. Oh, maybe should have done that over a black or a white. So It's a bit sheer, but look at it over the black glove. Oh, it's so pretty. And that's it over white. Doesn't show much colour that way, does it? So I'll put them in and then we'll do 2 coats of those. Okay, so 2 coats. That peach, to be honest with you, I don't think I needed 2 coats on there. I have put 2 coats on. And then the chameleon one, look at that. See if I can get it. It was just shifting. Can I get it on camera? Oh, come on, why are you not playing? It's got like a very, very faint red, so it looks purpley and blue. I'm going to do it over black as well. I've got the black in at the minute for us to look at. So that was those 2. So that one is the dark purple to red holographic chameleon. And then, literally only went on to get a couple of thingies. These are, what were these called? These are the shell pearl ones. I got olive green and light purple. I've got blue. I did get some from Temu, but they're really, really thin. Come on. So, and these colours, oh, look at that. Oh, God, the static jumping. Look how beautiful that is. So, I'll do, oh God, that is so much better. It's a lot thicker than the other ones. So you put them on like that. Where's my skinny one? Where are you? There we are. And then you just get, I mean, that looks really nice like that, doesn't it? So you just do your swirlies and it's sort of like levels, but you've moved the glitters around. So it gives a little effect. Obviously that's on a clear tip, so this is lighting that bit better. So that's the green and then light purple. So that's 143 and 140. That one's so pretty. Quite sheer. But imagine that over white. Oh, there's a fuzzy in there for good measure. Wouldn't be a video of mine, would it, without one? Oh, it's so pretty. Right, so I'll put them into cure and then I'll do another coat. Back in a minute. Okay, so they're in the lamp curing. This is the chameleon one. I've done this over 1 layer of black and 1 layer of chameleon. I can't get the bloody camera to show it. I can see it. Ah, it's gonna do my head in. Ah, give up. I'll put the picture on screen. Goodness me. So that's the chameleon one. Are you gonna fit round there? Oh yeah, they do. Okay. So these are the pearly ones. That's 2 coats, and I've top coated all of these now. Aren't they fabulous? That green is gorgeous. It's kind of like a, I don't know, shimmery sage. And then the neons, they're top coated now. Look, I love them. And definitely didn't need 2 coats on that. I made up with that. And that's the chameleon. Still not going to do it, is it? Oh, sod off. Go away. Right, then I also got, these came with a magnet, so cat eye. So, Spring Whimsy Macaron meets cat eye. And I thought they were all cat eye. I'm going to assume these aren't. No. So we've got a nice set of pastel colours and a cat eye. So the cat eye, I'm guessing, goes underneath the pastels. So what I'll do, 216, 215, 214, 217, 218. So we'll swatch the colours. We'll swatchy. Do I need to with these on though? Or should we just do them on there? Oh, dilemma. Yeah, because, yeah, stop it, Rebecca. These are fabulous. So these are, what do they call them? They're not jelly, they're not cream. What do they call them? He's gonna do me head in. That's green. Get the light on. So that's D214. Oh, it's gonna do my head in now. You know, like the Korean type. What do they call them? Oh, there's a fuzzy on there as well. Get off. It is really going to do me head in. But anyway, so they're in between a jelly and a cream. So yes, the cat eye is going to look amazing underneath. And there's the blue. And then D216 looks like it's going to be a lilac. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's nice. Doesn't take much to make me happy, does it? Just have to be a pretty colour. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, isn't that beautiful? So if these are sheer, for you to put a cat eye underneath, then that means they have multi-use and you can put them over designs. You can layer them. Oh, I love that one. So that makes me even more happy. That's gorgeous. Okay. Right, we'll start. What I'll do is I'll do two coats on these, and then I'll do a cat eye with one of them over the top. Okay, so I've got those two coats and top coated there in the lamp. That's one coat of the cat eye. I didn't use the magnet, and I'm going to do another coat now and then use the magnet. But this would be a really good set if you're just starting out, because you've got the colours that you can use on their own, and a silver cat eye, you can put anything over the top of it to make it a coloured cat eye. Right, so here we go. Oh, that's really, Maybe you can see that, it's very reactive. So even with jellies, oh, that's gorgeous. Jellies, you can have them as a jelly over any designs. Cat eye, you can put them over a white and it will make them look like a very bright full cover. Oh, that is so cool. So I'm gonna put it in to cure. Oh, that's zapping. Here's these with the top coats on. Okay, so D124 is that gorgeous green. Syrup gels, that's what I'm thinking. I knew it'd come to me in the end. But there's that gorgeous green. Then we have the blue, D1, no, not D1, D215 and 214. Oh my God. I think I need another coffee. That is a beautiful cornflower blue. So there's them. Then we've got this one, D216, which is like a lilac-y pink. And then D217, which is this one. It's more of your vibrant pink. And then this one, D218, which is more of like your dusky pink. Rosy pink, rosy. Yeah. Okay. So that's the cat eye. So what colour shall we put over? It's got to be purple, hasn't it? It's got to be purple. Now I'm going to assume that you do the cat eye underneath and the colour over the top. So you could do your cat eye design, you could do your swirls, your line. Don't know, what do you think? Would you put the cat eye on the top or underneath? I'm gonna have to try that now, aren't we? That didn't show up as much as what I thought it would. So what we'll do then, I could just make it a lot simpler and go on the website and read it properly, but that would be less fun, wouldn't it? See, I don't want to do the cat eye over the, because I've got top coat on. Okay, so I've done one coat. And then we'll see what happens. But yeah, silver cat eye. It opens up so many options. You don't have to have all these different colour cat eyes because you can get the same effect just by doing the cat eye. And then using a jelly over the top. Yeah, so that's that one. You can sort of see it, can't you? Let's see what happens with this one. But I love the name of that. Spring Whimsy Macaron meets cat eye. But it's a beautiful set. And the colours are amazeballs. I've got some other cat eyes of Rarjsm. More like your neutrally pinks and stuff. Oh, they go on just like glass. They're amazing. Can't remember the name of that set either, but I will find out. So we'll do a thin layer of that over. Am I in? Can we see? Probably not. Oh yes, a cat eye over the top. Yeah. So the cat eye over the top, and then you've got pastel cat eyes. I'm singing again. Let's do the line. Magnet's really good as well. Ooh, I like that. So yeah, we'll throw that one away. Don't tell anybody. So that's the silver cat eye. And then you get these 5. Like I say, they're like the syrup jellies. They're in between a jelly and a cream, and they're beautiful. And then the next set I got was Pastel Lovette. So these are glitters. So D190, 191, 92, 93, 94 and 89. Oh, definitely need a coffee. Okay, so, oh wow. Oh. These mixed with those Macaron ones as well. Oh, that is beautiful. So you got some little pink flecks in there. Let me see it better there. So you got pink, like kind of mylar, then the multicolour reflective glitters. Oh, that is gorgeous. So yeah, cat eye over. Oh, look how smooth that is as well. Cat eye over the Macaron. The Macaron. D190. Oh, so this is a white. Oh, it's got purple in it. Purple and gold. I haven't even shook these, have I? Oh yeah, it's got little purple iridescent flakes in there. So it's like a milky white. Oh, I love that. Like a milky white. I can't really see, can you? Is that a bit better? And you've got purple, like leaf flakes in there. Obviously, I'm going to do 2 coats on these, so you probably see it a bit better that way. D191. Ooh, that is nice. So this has got like, they've got the same sort of glitter reflex, the multicoloured. They've got like the gold bigger pieces in. Isn't that gorgeous? Imagine that as the background with some nice little spring daisies on. That'd be really pretty. 192. Oh, there's another milky one. This one's got gold flakes in there. Oh, this is a cute little set, this. Oh, that's so pretty. So that's got the gold smaller glitters in. And the gold bigger pieces. Oh, it's kind of like got a green shift on the glitters. Then D193. Oh, that's a beautiful blue. Isn't that a gorgeous blue? These are just glitters, these aren't cat eye. Oh, that's gorgeous. How many times have I said that in this video? So you've got bits of green, you've got the blue, different colour shifts. These are fantastic. Like I say, the prices aren't unreasonable over on Rarjsm. They had a bit of a sale on, and you've got a 35% code that you can use. 35% off, imagine. That's so much. It's just like ordering from Born Pretty, you know, with the waiting times for them to come. Oh, that's so nice, and that's got the blue glitters in. I am absolutely made up with everything I got. And how much was it? Is it 40? Is it 40? You spend £40, you get free delivery. But then obviously I've got the discount code as well. That is gorgeous. So you've got the pale blue with the blue glitter flecks in. You've got the smaller ones and the big flakes. Oh, he's so pretty. Okay, right, I'm going to do 2 coats of these and top coat them, and then we'll be back. Right, okay. Are these not the prettiest things you've ever seen? So there's the first 2. So that one's got pink big flakes in it, like a rose goldy type, and then you've got all the multicolours in there. And then you've got this one, which has got the gold to green, sort of smaller flakes, and then big, wasn't even focused, I do apologise. And then the bigger flakes of like purple glitter. This one is just gorgeous. So you've got gold, colour shift, glitters, the bigger flakes. Like I say, imagine that with some white daisies over the top. It'd be amazing. So you've got the gold, smaller glitters and bigger glitters, and they do shift from like gold to green. This one, this lighter blue, so it's got greeny coloured flakes in with the colour shift, and then this one with the blue. They are just beautiful. And then that's the Whimsy Macaron with the cat eye over the top. I've just top coated that so I can put that on the cat eye and I know what it is. So yeah, there's my Rarjsm haul. I will link the sets and everything in the description box below. Like I say, I do have a code TPP35 for 35% off. So grab a bargain. And they do have a sale on at the moment as well. So yeah, grab yourself some, because these, oh, look at those. Oh, I love them, absolutely love them. So I made up with my little haul. Hope you enjoyed it. Bit different to your usual Temu and everything like that. But Rarjsm are an amazing brand, and they have some fantastic gel polishes and goodies on their website. So go over, take a look, and yeah, grab yourself a bargain with 35% off. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.